Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to change lock screen wallpaper in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to change your lock screen wallpapers, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply go to your settings app. Now, once you are in your settings, just scroll down, look for wallpaper and style, then click on change wallpaper, and this is the wallpaper you want to set for your lock screen. So let's say I'm gonna set this one here, and there you have to uncheck your home screen if you want to only set it to your lock screen. If you want to set the same wallpaper for your home screen, so you can also check this one, but I'm gonna set for lock screen only. Click on next. You can also get the preview here, or you can also make some changes for your lock screen, like changing icons or anything else if you want, and then click on this done option. Now once you have done, your lock screen wallpaper will be successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily change your lock screen wallpaper in your any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.